Welcome. We are the Curtis family. Lee, Meredith, Isaac, and Pippa. We are an American family of 4 living in the beautiful coastal town of Kuşadası, Turkey. We are excited to invite you on our adventures with us. We cannot wait to share the beautiful sights, sounds, and experiences we discover together. Whether we are exploring the coastlines or simply enjoying the local culture, we want to take you on an unforgettable journey. So pack your bags and come travel with us. Let's explore together and make unforgettable memories. We promise you won't be disappointed. Today we invite you to join us on a journey through the heart of a Turkish picnic where generations come together to celebrate the essence of togetherness. As the sun bathes the park in its golden glow, friends and families converge, bringing a vibrant spirit of Turkish hospitality to life. Here are the grill sizzles with the enticing aroma of succulent meats, each skewer a testament to the culinary traditions passed down through the ages.
So today we're at
Adigal.
Park and we're having a good time. We're doing a picnic. See?
Yeah.
Getir onu bana.
Abi sıcak sen niye?
Ya yok sıcak değil.
Oo.
O ateş onları pişirir.
Abi arkada biraz hazırlansın ya. Çünkü et çok biliyor musun?
Erbiş kullanmıyoruz. Başka aile kullanabilir.
Evet başka aile kullanabilir.
At this Turkish picnic, it's not just about the delicious kebabs and mouthwatering dishes. It's about the exchange of stories, the passing down of traditions, and the invaluable lessons learned from one another. Here, every laugh, every shared moment weaves a thread in the intricate fabric of the cultural identity. In Turkish culture, the importance of spending quality time together is deeply ingrained. It's about fostering connections, building bridges between generations, and appreciating the wealth of knowledge that comes with each passing year.
Where's my nipple?
It's coming. They haven't cooked it yet. What sets this gathering apart is the beautiful mix of generations. From the wisdom of elders to the boundless energy of the youth, everyone plays a unique role in creating a harmonious mosaic of shared experiences.
Hello, do you want to see my tongue?
Yeah.
I have a teeth. You have one.
You have a tooth? Can we see it? Oh. Oh.
Hey.
You gonna show us your tooth? Pretty girl.
It's not very fun to food.
Oh. I am going to learn to eat ciğer.
Sen de yemiyorsun. Allah Allah. Ciğer iyidir aslında ya.
Ciğer sevmek istiyorum.
Sev. Al buyur.
Tamam.
Şöyle. Çekeceksin.
Okay. I want to love liver. I do. Evet, çok faydalı. Çok sağlıklı.
Gel buraya. Gel bakayım. Sevdin mi geleceksin buradan devamını alacaksın.
Come here. It's okay. Do you like liver? Liver seviyor musun?
Yes.
I'm so glad. I'm trying to like it. I don't like it. It looks really good. It is perfectly grilled, and I just can't do it. I want to. It's so healthy.
Thank you.
Doğum günün kutlu olsun kardeşim.
Free skywalk, yeah.
So, as the sun sets on this unforgettable day, let's cherish the bonds we've forged, the stories we've shared, and the richness of Turkish culture that thrives in our togetherness. Because in these moments, we discover that the true beauty of life lies in the simple joy of spending quality time with the ones we hold dear.